It's a great day. Thank you for joining me. I'm Diana Luongo-Gazek with Diversified Capital Funding. How many times have you had a buyer that has a lot of assets? They don't have a lot of income. Maybe they're retired and they have IRA income, or they get income from different pieces of the pie, but it's not enough to qualify, if you will, or to be able to buy a home. I've been asked this many times, and what I've done is I've worked with a financial strategist to determine how we can use those assets to create an income on their behalf that is used to qualify their income going forward and lower their debt to income ratios. If you want to figure out how to get that buyer that doesn't have a lot of income but has a lot of assets, and they don't want to use all their assets and tie them up to put them out for the down payment, give me a call, because I can help you get your client more income from the money they have where they never realized they can. I'm Diana Luongo-Gazek, Diversified Capital Funding, looking out for your best interest.